How to log into your HelloFresh account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in HelloFresh login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, HelloFresh.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Click on that. Now here you're gonna find this login section. You have to provide the credentials. Type in the email address, then type in the password. After you provide all of your details, go ahead and click on the option of login. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you want to stay signed in, check in for this option. If you want to log in without password, you can click on the option of login without password and go through the process. Likewise, in the case you have created your account using these options, Google, Apple ID, Facebook, you can just click on this option and with that you'll be logged into your account. Or else you can directly enter your credentials and then click on login. With that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of sign up and then go through the registration process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into your HelloFresh account. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.